Hi, good evening. Welcome to Tyagi Talks. Today you can only hear me because I have somebody very special, Mahika Singh. Mahika Kohli, sorry. Mahika is a tarot reader, an intuitive reader. I really didn't want to come in between her and the audience today, so I'm sitting very distant away. You can only hear me for the next 1 minute. So, before we start, त्यागी हूँ, मेरठ का हूँ, खुश हूँ, and the Tyagi anthem. And let's start with the Tyagi anthem. So here it is.
Every night.
Give me a minute. There seems to be a lady today here. Give me a minute. Sorry guys. Here it is.
Welcome to Tyagi Talks. Hello everybody. Good day to you. Some live, some die, some lose it and cry. Some love eat chicken fried, but Tyagi Talks. Some brood and sigh, and afraid to even try. Some wither away and die, but Tyagi Talks. Some walk away with their head held high. Some sit and wonder why. Some look at you and don't say hi, but Tyagi Talks. Some live, some die, some lose it and cry. Some love it chicken fried, but Tyagi Talks. And Tyagi Talks.
Okay guys, thank you for bearing with me. And now I give it to Mahika Kohli to take it from here. All the best.
Namaste everybody. So this is Mahika, and like Amit ji said, I am an intuitive reader. I am an international speaker, a spiritual life coach, an author, and a relationship counselor. So today what we are going to do is that I want to do a free intuitive reading for all of you. So you are free to ask me any question, anything that you want to, and that you want to know the answers to, and I will try to connect to your energy and then try and answer the question. So we will just wait for a few minutes till people join in, and then we can begin. So I hope I am clearly audible and visible. If I am not, I would appreciate you commenting so that we can. I see Ritu joining in. Hi Ritu. Hello Kamini. So one thing that I want to tell you is that when you ask me the question, please specify the name of the person for whom you're asking the question. For example, if it is for your husband, you have to give me the name of your husband. Hi Kamini, hi Preeti, thank you for joining in.
Dimple.
Okay, Dimple, sorry. You have to give me the name, and that's all I need. And the questions have to be very crisp and clear. That will help me give you the correct answers basically. So if you're ready, you can start with the questions because we don't have much time, and then it will be practically difficult to answer everybody's question. asking a question. What about my career? Okay, Ritu, let's pick up a card for Ritu's career and see what it shows us. Ritu, I think the cards for your career are very, very positive. I think right now you have a lot of control over the profession that you are in, and it seems like you are in the game already. The second thing that I can see for you is that all you need to do is a little bit of more balancing act. I think you're lacking a bit in that. You need to really balance out your time, and I think if you're giving more time to your profession, you're compromising on yourself and your health. And if you're giving more time there, then you might compromise on your profession. So a little bit of balance is what I ask you to get. And I see you taking a leap, especially the next 2 years are very, very significant for you as far as your career is concerned. Hang in there and do your best. Thank you. God bless you. Kamini says, my daughter and her education, please. Her name is Palak. First of all, it's such a beautiful name. So, let's see. Let's pick a card for Palak and see what it tells us. Wow, I couldn't have asked for better cards. It's like amazingly good cards. I think Palak is going to make you all proud, and whatever expectations you have from her, she is going to fulfill it for you. Just give her some time, the next 10 months precisely. Right now, if you ask me, the 4 months right now for her education or her focus, it's a bit low. It's like Palak is feeling a bit withdrawn right now. I mean, she's not very interested in studying or things like that. That is a current energy that I see. But if you ask me for her future, her education and career, it's amazing. She will make you proud for sure. So God bless you, Palak, and thank you for asking that question. Kamini says, my career. Okay. Do you want to know about your career? Okay. So if any of you want to know something related to a time frame, for example, how will my career be in the next 1 year? How will the relationship be in the next 6 months? You can also specify that, so you get better predictions that way. You're most welcome, Ritu. God bless you and keep shining. Okay, so Kamini, for your career. Right now, I think Kamini, the current energy that I'm getting for your career is like you are not too happy with your current career or the way it is shaping up. You are a bit stressed with the current career is what I'm sensing as your current energy. But if you ask me, there is some message, there is some communication that is coming your way, but you have to give it time. Precisely, it could be the next 9 months if you give yourself that much time. Okay, are you Dimple? Okay, sorry. So it's Dimple, right? So Dimple, if you give yourself 9 months time, I see your career, the wheels of your career in motion. I can really tell you that something exciting will come your way, that too from somebody you know. So from your own network, there will come an opportunity in the coming 9 months that you can really encash on. Right now, you need to hold on to your horses and just be patient and just sail through, right? So I hope I've answered your question. God bless you. Right now, globally, like we all know, we are kind of It's a global crisis that we all are in, and like I said, I'm a spiritual life coach, so every single day I get a lot of queries about people who are, going into that mode where they are not motivated, where they don't want to continue with the kind of jobs they are doing. People are giving up on their relationships. The only advice that I can give you is that treat this time as a time like as if you are in school, as if you are learning lessons every single day. Treat this time like that and just take one day at a time. And every single day tell yourself, this too shall pass. And you will see that how beautifully you sail through these trying times. And let me tell you, crisis always teaches us important lessons of life. So that's one message that I really wanted to give all of you. Dimple says, yes, I joined new work. My old employer asked me to work for him. You are so correct. Thank you for the confirmation. Thank you. So if you really, when people tell that this prediction resonates with me, it really makes the reader feel very, very happy. Hi Mayur. So Kamini, just wait on for the next maybe 9 months, like I said, and you will be surprised at the kind of opportunity that lands. Probably this one, who knows. Really thank the people who have joined in, who have taken out their time and who took that impetus to tune in. So I'm very, very thankful to you. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Jayan, hi Jayan. Jayan says, I study overseas. I wanted to ask that will I be able to go back this semester? That's a very good question, Jayan. Let me just see how I can help you with this answer. Right now, if you ask me for the next 4 months, it looks a little tough, and honestly, I wouldn't advise you to because I see that if you think of going back in the next 4 months, you might feel a bit stuck there. There is this kind of an energy. Right now, your energy is very much like, oh, what should I do? I don't know, when will I get back? When will things start? All I want to tell you is that if you really want to make it to the next semester, if you really want to go back, then take that leap of faith without any doubt in your mind. The moment you bring in any kind of doubt or apprehension in your mind, or for that matter, if any of your family member is also putting in such a doubt, then once you go there, it is going to be a bit difficult for you. But if you really want to take that leap of faith, then you can go for it without any doubt in your mind. But honestly, if you ask me, I would suggest that do not, I would suggest that give it time for the next 4 months at least. And then you can go, and then it will be for good probably. So I hope I've answered your question, and thank you and God bless you. Rajesh wants to start his own business. What's the path? What is next for us? So I think these are two questions. So first let's see what Rajesh wants to start his own business. What's the path? You want to know what kind of business he should go into? Is that the question? Okay, first of all, I feel that Rajesh, I think what I'm getting for Rajesh is that he is a very, very loving and a very, very sensitive kind of a person. He is quite emotional and he, immediately trusts people. It doesn't take him time to, kind of form the connections with people. That's the nature that I'm getting for Rajesh. One thing that I would like to add here is, Rajesh, it's okay if you go in for your business, and for that matter, communication could be. So any business which involves a lot of active communication is good for you, I can say that. But the word of caution here is, do not get into any partnership. If you get into a partnership, there is some sort of a deception that I can sense. So if you want to get into any business, go for it all by yourself. Do not, get into any sort of a alliance or a partnership. So I think that's, for Rajesh. What's next for us is what Dimple is asking. Mayur, I'm coming to your question after that. And then Nima, after Mayur, it's your turn. Okay. What's coming up for us is the question, right? So what the future holds in store for you? The future definitely holds money. The future holds good things. However, if you overcome your energy of procrastination. So Dimple, if you decide to procrastinate and you just feel that aaj nahi kal karenge, abhi nahi baad mein dekhenge, that is the kind of a thing, the loop, if you get into that loop, the success will keep running away from you. So the more proactive you are, the more beautiful future you can create for yourself. Is all I'm getting for you. There is also, I see a strong chance of probably going abroad. So if you guys are thinking in terms of migrating, or if there is a thought of immigration, I think it's a good time. The next 3 years you can really think about that. Yeah. Coming to Mayur, please advise on my business. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what advice can we get on Mayur's business. Mayur, I think your current energy is that you feel a bit disinterested and demotivated. Yeah, and what I can relate is to the current situation. It's temporary, but you are overthinking, Mayur. I think I see that strongly. I sense that you are really overthinking a lot. You're thinking about things that are not even happening. So I would request you to come out of that situation. Do not think so much. I mean, thinking is good, but overthinking is not. So you are kind of getting addicted to that. Come out of that. Your business is going to do very good. I don't see anything. However, I also see you changing your business. Probably you will get into either something else alongside, or probably you will totally change the course of your business. That is also on the cards. In the next 6 months, your business will flourish, no doubt. In the coming next, I think, give it at least 9 months of time. If you take that frame of, if you ask me the time frame, stop overthinking and get working is all I can suggest. God bless you. Nima Tyagi says, Nirupama, is it? want to know about my parents' health and my husband's job. Sure. You're most welcome, Mayur. Next, I will take up Utkarsh, your question after Nirupama. Okay? Nirupama, first let's see about your parents' health. Health is so right now. I wouldn't say they are in the best of their health, but I think one of your parents, probably your mom, I see that she is kind of recovering from a certain thing, and if it is so, then that recovery will happen pretty fast. So one of your parents is recovering from something, and that recovery will it'll really, the pace will increase is all I can see. If you ask me, overall it will not be like the best of health. Something or the other chota mota kuch laga rahega is all I can see, but otherwise nothing big and glaring is all I can see. About your husband's job. Okay. So after this is Utkarsh's turn.
There's one more question by Sunny before that. I'll read it out.
Sure. Okay, so Nirupama is asking about the husband's job. Nirupama, your husband is a bit troubled either by his boss or one of his colleagues or somebody at his workplace who is giving him sleepless nights is all I can see. He's really working hard and he's contemplating on doing something of his own. If you ask me, the next 7 months is very good for him to kind of create a project plan or something that gives him the bandwidth to move from his job to do something of his own. Right now, ask him to hang in there and just ignore that person who is giving him sleepless nights. God bless you. Utkarsh. Hello, I study in second year OP Jindal and want to know what future has in store for me. I am doing liberal arts. First of all, Utkarsh, that's a very interesting subject that you've taken. So congratulations on that. Rare and good. Okay, what future has in store for Utkarsh? Let's see. Utkarsh, first of all, you are very loved and protected by your mom is all I can see. The first energy is that a lot of blessings, a lot of love is there, and that will really take you places, Utkarsh. The guidance that I'm getting for you is that your mom will always walk that extra mile to take you from A to B, so be thankful to her at all times. This is a guidance which is different from what the question you ask. Sometimes we get guidances that you don't ask, but then the universe wants you to know. So be grateful to her at all times. Utkarsh, why do you get so withdrawn at times? आप अपने आप को एक shell में क्यों ले जाते हो कभी-कभी? Be open and be that jovial self. Do not get into the shell. And the future is very good for you. I see you getting into some sort of a profession which will, it is like an impact maker or something which will be like from one to many. Maybe you can become a coach or I don't know, something that involves you creating an impact on others. Something related to leadership. You have very good leadership qualities which you don't realize. And I've got another card for a woman which is like, I think right now probably your mother, unless you have a girlfriend. But I think just be very thankful to her. I think her blessings are really taking you places. God bless you.
There's a question by Sunny Tyagi or Bindu Tyagi.
Okay.
It says, hi ma'am, namaste.
Yeah.
My name is Bindu Tyagi. I just wanted to know, I invest in the business. Okay, one second. Tell me when will it start? Because look, lockdown is that this is beauty business. So she's in a beauty parlor.
Okay.
And she wants to know when will her business really pick up again. And she invests a lot into her business right.
And is her name Bindu?
Her name is Vandana.
Vandana. definitely see that right now it's really trying time for you, and yes, I don't see that your business is doing very well, Vandana. You have to hold on to a lot of strength, and you have to really tame the lion, right now. This is a wild lion right now, and you need to really tame it with a lot of tact and with a lot of strength. So, Bindu, Vandana, a very important guidance that I can give you is, if every single day you meditate for at least 10 minutes, it will really give you the required strength. I'm getting this guidance for you, and if you could take it seriously, you will really get back to me saying that, this really works. Other thing that I'm telling you is, for the next 6 months, please write it down. Do charity. The more you donate, the more better. So all you're facing right now is a karmic blockages. It's related to certain karmas. So this is the thing that you're feeling stuck and your business is not doing too well because of these blockages. Do charity. So what you can do is, you can just donate some food to children, or especially girl child. It will help you. And if you really take this guidance seriously, you will see your business picking up. Give yourself 6 months. And do these two things, meditate and also do some charity. Thank you and God bless you.
One more question. Sanidhi Tyagi, her name is Sanidhi.
Yeah.
I just finished my 10th and I got 80% in the 10th. And I've taken commerce in 11th and I want to be a CA. Is it nice to be a CA, and will I be able to do CA?
That's so sweet. First of all, congratulations. You have really done well, and let's see if you can become a CA. And you don't need to ask the cards if you want to become a CA. If you want to become a CA, just go and become. Even if they say you can't become, right? Okay. Sannidhi is your name. First of all, beautiful name. Secondly, I think, Sannidhi, you have a chance of studying away from your home. You will not be sitting, staying with your parents and studying. You will always be somewhere away from them. Whatever course you choose, commerce is good for you. I see something related to finance for sure. Right? So, definitely, Sannidhi, sometimes what happens with you is, opportunity comes to you, but that time you just, hold your hands and look on the other side. So don't do that. Yeah? So when, in the coming times, in the future, whenever opportunity knocks your door, make sure to welcome it with your open arms and just go for it. And you can become a CA, and I'll come to you for my finances. All the best.
Okay. There's a question by Vijay Lakshmi box. Can you see that?
Vijay Lakshmi, is it?
Yeah. Or if not, I can read that out to you.
I'm on. Did I miss her question?
Her name is Vijay Lakshmi Boxing.
Yeah.
He said, "Hi Viju here. I worked for good 24 years and have left job last year. Want to know, is it good to join back now, or feel is it good to start a self venture?"
Okay. Vijay Lakshmi, let's see. Vijay Lakshmi, you're definitely moving on. That is clear. But right now, the tides are a bit against you. So you can definitely go in for doing something of your own. I also see you're talking to a lot of people. I also see you will start something in collaboration with somebody. Especially, I see 3 people. I see a 3 people alliance, and you can definitely do something of your own. But Vijay Lakshmi, if you honestly, just wait for the next 9 months, and then. But you can start planning, and if you do it in alliance with 3 people, it will really be very good for you. And I see some 2 people already you're in talks with. So I hope I've answered your question. God bless you. Sannidhis I've answered. Ritu Kapoor says, I'm concerned about my health. One thing that I really want to tell all of you who are asking me these questions, anything that is bothering you in life, do not give it a lot of energy and importance, because you know what? Whatever you focus on expands. If you really focus on worrying about your health, you are bound to attract something that is big. So just bindas rehne ka and tension lene ka nahi dene ka. Okay, let's see Ritu Kapoor's health. Oh my God. Ritu, you are always in a dilemma when it comes to your health. You know, I mean, always thinking, is this right for me or is this happening to me? मेरे साथ हो क्या रहा है? मुझे करना क्या है? There is always a two-mindedness when it comes to your health, especially when it comes to you, right? You have to come out of this energy. Your card is Queen of Swords, which tells me that you're a very powerful woman, like a superwoman. So be in that energy and do not get into the energy of क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. Perfect, no health issues. Yes. One thing I can tell you is that be very, very cautious about balancing your emotions. Sometimes your emotions take a toll on your body rather than your body taking a toll on your emotions. So if you really keep your emotions in check, nothing is going to go wrong in your body. I don't see anything. Yeah?
Is there another one more question there? He says, my name is Shrey Tyagi.
Okay.
When can I plan my marriage?
Anytime. Invite us. Yeah.
He's in Goa.
Wow, destination wedding. Okay. So what's the name? Sorry.
Shrey.
Shrey. Okay, Shrey. Let's see. When are you attracting your partner? Okay. Although you have asked me the question related to marriage, but I really don't see you're ready for marriage internally. There is something going on in your mind. Oh, if I get married, फिर ये होगा, फिर my independence will go, फिर this will happen. I'm seeing that kind of a thing. You are also under some sort of a burden. Now I don't know if it is your career or what is it. There is some sort of a burden in your mind right now. If you ask me about your marriage, definitely it will be you will have a very good partner, but to have that kind of a partner, little patience. At least if you wait for the next 1.5 to 2 years, you will be able to manifest your soulmate. Earlier than that, you will feel a lot of burden, you will feel a lot of stress, and you will get into the relationship. It will be good, but it will not be the best. So if you could wait for 1.5 to 2 years, perfect. God bless you. And invite us. We are very eager to come to Goa for the wedding. Anuka Chabra asks a question. I'm Neha. Did I answer Neha's question? I am Neha. Please advise on my personal life in 2020. Okay, Neha Kala, let's see. When you say personal life, I'm assuming it's about relationships, right? Oh, beautiful. Neha, although it has not been very hunky-dory in the past as far as your relationships are concerned, but yes, now you might see a person entering your life who will really be very, very balanced and very, very understanding, stable, but I see that your energy will be that of a hanged man. I mean, you are really not sure about a person entering your life. You are having some trust issues. So if you let go of that, and if you let go of your past and your experiences in the past, you will definitely be able to manifest such an amazing partner. So Neha, 2020 to nahi, 2020 ko jane do. In the first half of 2021, somebody definitely will come into your life. But then, I mean, just trust and do not let your doubt creep in. Okay, Neha?
Then
Yeah.
there is one by Kamini Arora. Same question, my health.
Kamini Arora asks about her health, is it? Anuka, I'll come to you. She is asking me to reply what planning to buy a new home. Okay, before that, Kamini's health. Kamini, I don't see any serious challenges as far as your health is concerned. But I also see you, I mean, you are kind of all the time overthinking about your health. You have to come out of that, Kamini. and the next 7 months are really not like the best of health for you. Kuch will, it will keep happening, but don't lose heart, hang in there, be positive, keep smiling, and everything will be fine. Anuka, I think Anuka is waiting since a long time. What is your question? Planning to buy a new home, by when will it be done? Okay, sure. Kanika also. After Anuka, it will be Kanika's turn. And I think then we will probably, that will be the last question because I think we are running out of time. Yeah.
One more by Nirupama saying on the health. So go last question.
Sure. Okay, so let's take
Anuka.
Okay, sure. Anuka's question where she asks, planning to buy a new home, by when it will be done? Beautiful. Okay, first of all, Anuka, tell me one thing. When you are talking about your new home, are you really getting the kind of cooperation from the other members in the family? Because I see that there is a lack. Although you want to have a property, but other people are not really interested, that will create a roadblock for you. There is some sort of a conflict. I mean, all of you, or probably, I'm not sure if you and your spouse are not on the same page regarding this. Give yourself time. If you ask me about your new home, you will be able to get it. But first, work on getting everybody on the same page. Share with them your vision, how passionately you feel for the new, your dream home. If you honestly ask me, 1.5 years time. 1.5 years time, and I think then it will start happening for you. Yeah, but before that, please work on getting everybody on the same page. Anuka, it will be very good if you could just confirm if this is true. Kamini says, question my health.
You answered that.
I answered that, right? Yeah.
You
Kamini.
need to go to Kanika.
Kanika. Where is Kanika?
Maybe
Okay.
Kanika.
Anything on my career prospects and what does the future hold for me? Okay, let's see, Kanika. Your career. Okay. Kanika, tell me something. Are you a bit rigid when it comes to taking decisions? When it comes to, I see some sort of a rigidity that you have, some sort of, like stubbornness in your energy. This could create a roadblock in your career. Let go of that. Be flexible. It's like opportunities and abundance is calling you, but you are like, I don't want to move because I feel this is right and this is not right. Kanika, one more thing for you is that you always feel there is a black and there is a white, but let me tell you, there is also a grey. So for you, the path will be of the path of grey. Do not be very, very rigid about ye sabhed, ye acha hai, ye bura hai. Take the middle path. The sooner you do that, the faster will be your success. Also, Kanika, I see that there is you have a very authoritative presence. So encash on that, Kanika, rather than using it against you. So Kanika, be a little more flexible. Opportunities are there. Success is there. 7 months is the time. Yeah? All the best.
Nirupama Tapial on her future. Last question.
Didn't I?
Have you answered on the future?
Nirupama, I answered. Okay.
That was for parents and husband.
Okay. About Nirupama's future. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Thank you so much, Kamini. That really means a lot. Sure. So Nirupama's is her future.
Nirupama.
Okay. Let's see. Nirupama, beautiful. Right now, if you ask me this year, just let it pass the way it is. If things are a bit messy, just let it be like that. Do not try to clean up the relationships and the old cobwebs. पुराने पीछे वाले issues को इस time पे clean करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. Let 2020 pass off peacefully. from next year you will see a beautiful shift in all the areas of your life. That will only happen if you choose and decide not to dig old stuff from the closet and dark stuff from there. Just let go and live and let live. 2020 is not the time to settle scores. इसको जितनी peacefully निकाल सकती है निकालिए. Next year and the year coming after that, 2021 and 2022 is landmark year for you. You can bring in a lot of shifts and changes in your life that you have desired for the longest time. So I hope that helped, and all the best, and God bless you. I think Ritu wanted to ask a question.
इसको दो और आगे.
Okay.
Let's put a last stop to Pooja.
Yes, sure. And I wanted to remind all of you. So what I'm doing here is I'm answering one question, two questions, because it's not practically possible to answer all the queries. If you really have a few questions, you're interested to know about your future, get in touch with me, book a session, and then you can ask whatever you want to ask. I can help you with the blockages that are there. We can talk about how you can remove them, the remedies that I can suggest you. And if you are feeling stuck in any area of your life, you can get in touch with me and I can handhold you and help you to get from A to B. Yeah? Yes. So Ritu has a question. She's asking about her relationship. How will her relationship be in the coming time? Okay. Ritu, one advice that I want to give you is that stop reminiscing about the past. बहुत पीछे जाके thinking about those times and the good times, the bad times, come out of it. Definitely, I see some little turmoil in your relationship, which could be like kind of a difference of opinion, nothing major, but you might, the energy is such that बहुत छोटी सी बात होगी, but it will be like creating a mountain out of a molehill. So be aware of that. Now that you know, do not create that. And I sense a soulmate energy. So this partner of yours, definitely he is your soulmate, and he's very, very supportive. So are you. Hang on to each other. And this turmoil, this little thing, don't make huge out of it, I think. And relationship wise, my guidance to you is, although right now it doesn't seem like the best of times, but yes, a huge transformation. I have got 3 cards which only suggest transformation. So there is a huge shift that's coming in, and maybe something will happen. It might feel very big for you, but honestly it is nothing very big. If you just choose to ignore it, it will just pass. Rest we can talk in detail. I don't think it is very nice to talk about this on FB.
There is a question you can see by Aditya Tyagi. He says, my name is Aditya Tyagi. Tell me something about my future education and profession.
Aditya wants to know about
His future education and profession.
Okay. So Aditya, future, education, profession comes under one only. I'll just do a general thing because you're running out of time.
So the last question is Pooja.
Aditya, I think you are also a bit confused with what profession, what direction should I choose, कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ. Bring balance into your thoughts, Aditya. I see, do not be hasty in choosing a profession or a career, because I see some sort of a deception. अगर आप business में venture करते हो, be very careful about with whom you're doing it, because I sense some deception there. थोड़ा सा कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है. Maintain the balance. I will also suggest you to do some charity that will help you, come out of the karmic blocks that are blocking your professional growth at this point in time. Be careful about the people you associate with. this is one thing that I will very very strongly tell you. Careful रहिए, हर एक पे भरोसा मत कीजिए. Be very careful. Yeah.
Last question, sorry, but Pooja Datta, what does future hold for me?
Yeah, and Vandana is asking.
Okay,
I
sir.
think I'll take one Vandana's and then Pooja's will
Yeah,
be the
sure,
last one.
Sure.
So Vandana says general reading for me. Sure. So I'll just pick up a general card for you, Vandana. On Anmol. Okay. Vandana, general card for you. What can I say? Wheel of Fortune. You've been lucky, you will be lucky all your life. So I think nothing to worry. You also have a thing about overthinking and thinking a lot about things that are not really happening. But you have the habit of really thinking about things जो अभी हुई भी नहीं है. So the more you come out of those things, you will be able to create a better future. Perfect. Everything is fine, Vandana. All good. Yes. Sometimes during the trying times, you need to really be the strength for your family members, maybe for your husband, your son. You have to be the strength because they really look up to you. उस टाइम पे अगर आप weak पड़ती हैं तो वो लोग भी weak हो जाएंगे. So stop doing that. Yeah, I hope that helps. Anmol says, how does future look in terms of my business? And then we'll take Pooja's question.
Yeah, last question, Pooja.
Anmol says business growth. Sure. Anmol, although right now, if you ask me, it is not the best time. I think your business is not doing as good as it should be doing. But in the coming time, I see involvement of a woman. I don't know. It could be a business partner, it could be a life partner, it could be anybody. An authoritative woman. Involvement of an authoritative woman is going to bring a turnaround in your business. So pay attention to that. If your spouse is interested to join your business, let it be, let it happen because it will change. A woman luck is going to change. Vandana, thank you so much. Lots of love to you. So Anmol, be careful about that. I think involvement of a woman will change the course and it will make your business grow multifold. Time frame could be 5 months to 15 months. So that is the time frame. Abhi next 5 months tak do not expect any major changes. It will go the way it is going. Okay, Pooja's question, right?
What does future hold for me?
Okay. So Pooja Datta. What does future hold for me? Okay. Pooja, if you ask me about currently you are in your own shell. You closed yourself off. You're not sharing too much with other people. You're not interacting as much with other people. This is your current energy. In the coming times, Pooja, I see a huge movement. It could be moving from one city to another. It could be moving from one country to another also. Or it could be moving from one profession to another. There is definitely movement in the next 7 months. So note that you might decide to move home, move cities, move country, job, whatever. But that movement is inevitable for you. Pooja, come out a little bit do not be so rigid. Be more receiving, be more accepting. You are one person who refuses to receive help. Do not do that. We all need help, and open up your energy for other people to come and help you. It will really expand horizons for you. So these are the two significant things that I can see for you right now. Come out of your rigidity, accept other people, allow other people in your life, and be ready for the movement. So I think with that, I think we will not give more time to answering questions. It was wonderful interacting with you, And if you, like I said, if you really look for detailed guidance, or you look for some hand holding in terms of being coming out of the stuck situation in your business, relationship, life, career, then you can get in touch with me. The number will be, I will post the number in the comment section. So the people who join later, I am Mahika Kohli. I am an international speaker. I am an intuitive tarologist. I am an energy healer. I am a relationship counselor, a mindfulness trainer, and a spiritual life coach. So, and the name of my company is Miracles by Mahika. You can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and anything, just get in touch, because everything has a solution. Believe in miracles. So before I leave you all, a small thought that I want to leave you all with is that these days I'm getting a lot of questions about relationships. We all are into this pandemic situation. We are locked down. People are working from home 24 hours with each other. Things are getting a bit tense. So one thing that I would like to tell you is, during trying times, the best quality that can sail you through is only resilience. So if you are resilient, anything you can just, you can just overcome. Few tips that I would like to give you all is, lower your expectations and heighten your acceptance. Expectations low, acceptance high, right? Accept the other person and do not keep too much high hopes and expectations. He or she is also going through her or his set of challenges. Secondly, give each other the much desired space. Just because you are stuck in this situation, you are looking at each other throughout the day, do not try to be very clingy. Give yourself and the other person the desired space. That will really enhance your camaraderie. Coming to the third point is that trying times are not the best times to settle scores. Do not get into तुम्हारी माँ ने 19वीं सदी में ये बोला था, तुम्हारी बहन ने ये किया था, and on our honeymoon you did not take care of me, you did not order my favorite food. This is not the right time for that. Yeah, trying times में वैसे ही the energies are so volatile. Do not get into that sort of a mode. Avoid it. Mutual respect. This I advise for everybody. Be it with your children, be it with your spouse, your in-laws, elders, your helpers. This mutual respect can really take relationship to the next level. And last but not the least, work as one unit, but always as two beautiful minds. Always have your mind, your thought. You work as one unit, but do not let your individuality just go, right? Do not get into codependency. Focus on the bigger picture. Do not focus on the petty things, and give strength to each other. Be the best friends, because friends are non-judgmental, right? So with this thought, I will leave all of you today. Thanks a lot to Amit ji, and leaving you all with lots of peace, power and positivity. Namaste.